Disassembly tips. Ensure that you take the following precautions when disassembling a unit. Label each cable as you remove it, noting its position and routing. This will make replacing the cables much easier and will ensure that the cables are rerouted properly. Keep all screws with the component removed, if applicable. The screws used in each component can be of different thread sizes and lengths. Using the wrong screw in a component could damage the unit. If the unit contains light-sensitive components such as motherboard, memory module, CPU, hard disk drive, graphic card, store the component in its original ESD packaging to avoid damage. Please read the description below for more details about tools used to removal and replacement, static electricity.
Before you begin, remove the base enclosure, battery, solid-state drive, left trunk, left support bracket, and heatsink. Removal. Using minimal force, lift the locking bar up on the I/O board ZIF connector and disconnect the I/O board ribbon cable from the I/O board. Lift the edge of the I/O board off of the alignment pins on the top cover. Slide the external connectors out of the cutouts and remove. Replacement. Tow the external connectors on the I/O board into the cutouts in the top cover and lower it onto the alignment pins. Insert the I/O board ribbon cable into the I/O board ZIF connector on the I/O board and press the locking bar down to lock the cable into place.
Thanks for watching. Please click subscribe for more videos and weekly updates.